Here we are visiting one of the biochar trial plots where this is called biochar composting technique, where we use the locally produced charcoal. When we apply charcoal for the fields, it is called biochar, especially to improve the fertility of the soils. And here in this Peddamadur village, we had about 12 trial plots for biochar composting, and now we are visiting one of the trial plots here. And here the crop which is grown is cotton, and in this particular biochar composting method, we apply biochar and we add the farmyard manure and the green mulch. Green mulch is basically from the bushes, the green tender leaves that we cut and then we add to this compost, because it is basically we are trying to enhance the quality of the biochar as a good fertilizer for the soil. So in this process, by doing this composting, we will enhance the density of soil microbes within the soil, and also we are adding like Trichoderma viridae and many other options are available. The soil microbes can be added which are ready-made available, and this density of soil microbes has so many benefits for the soil, and ultimately it is improving the quality of the soil for enhanced production, disease resistance, healthiness of the plants, moisture retention, and many other benefits that we would see over a number of years. Because although biochar application appears to be one-time application, but as a practice, when we apply biochar, the total time retained in the soil by the biochar and its impacts are longer, and it lasts for years together. So that is the major advantage, and biochar also changes the texture of the soil because it is having very high surface area. Even one spoonful of biochar has a surface area of one football field size surface area. So the total space for the soil microbes to occupy in the biochar, but this biochar will trap these things longer, and the retention period of say soil moisture, fertilizers or everything will be very high. So that way the total duration that this biochar would benefit for the soil is very long, because the biochar cannot be eaten by anything. It is non-biodegradable per se, because it is not food for any of the insects or any of the creatures that we see in the soil. And we can see here the field where we have applied some of the biochar. So the results may not be immediately visible, because the impacts of biochar is seen best say about within 5 years period of time, and this biochar also crumples due to degradation and due to ploughing, and it need to get into the soil say about 6 inches deep, and when we do at least once or twice ploughing, it gets up to the root zone, and that's basically where the air is also available, water is available, soil microbes density is very high, and we have all those advantages of where the plant gets all the kind of nutrients from this basic zone.